Welcome to Not at All Spotlight Production. My name is Pre-cadet Patcharapon Meekong. Second year class, section 16, number 20. Today I will present about acid rain. What is acid rain? Acid rain is any form of precipitation with high levels of nitric and sulfuric acid. It can occur in the form of snow, fog, and even dry materials that settle to earth. Most acid rain is caused by human activities. When people burn fossils, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the atmosphere. These gases react with water, oxygen, and other substances to form sulfuric and nitric acid. Winds may spread this acidic solution over hundreds of miles. After it falls to earth, acid rain enters water system, run off, and sink into the ground. This can make water toxic to crayfish, clams, fish, and other aquatic animals. The rest of food chain, including non-aquatic species such as birds, is often affected as well. Acid rain also harms forests by damaging trees and leaves, robbing the soil of essential nutrients, and making it hard for trees to take up water. By designing cleaner plants and using fewer fossil fuel, we can reduce the number of pollutants that create acid rain. Thank you.